Benvenida a la Griffin Town de Playa del Carmen. Es la quartier Zel-Ha. En el quartier Zel-Ha, they're building the first digital nomad co-working cities, a mix of hotel like the Loft, condominium with rooftop terrace from 6-8 stories all the way up to 10 stories in some places, and even 15 stories building. Back in the day, there were only empty space or a stadium, I think, but maybe they moved it. So as you can see, there's more land to develop in this area. They already have this green line. They call it the Verde Cicloto. And yeah, big booming here in Playa del Carmen, despite everything. It's incredible. Yeah. So it's really, they call it the Midtown, Siempre Playa, and like Zel-Ha. And c'est pour ceux qui sont de Montréal, photos of Montreal. You really have the feeling of back in the 90s when they were starting building all of these condo towers in Griffintown and across Prince Saint Charles. Yeah. Will they extend a Mayakoba here? Because Mayakoba, it's a kind of a big thing in the wood, but anyways, I don't know. So here you have it. I just show you a part of a larger project called Midtown, Playa del Carmen, Zel-Ha. Cheers, guys, and enjoy the discovery and the learning experience with Fredo Lounge. Hit the hell bell button. Ciao.